Hi, I'm Nick Mikhaylovskiy of Higher IT School of Tomsk State University and NTI Lab. And today I'll be talking about how do we test the strength of AI and what the strength of AI is at all. So there's a sheer number of tests for AI strength already exist. But from my perspective, we need to have a different design for the test for AI. To have a kind of test-driven development for strong AI development, because if we don't have a test for what are we doing, we don't know if we have achieved the results we wanted. So strong AI is the kind of AI that compares to human in most aspects, or even surpasses it. And if we want to really build a strong AI, we need to understand what should we achieve or surpass. And definitely science and art are two summits of human activity. Let's look how science works. The key thing in science is creating hypotheses about the certain phenomena and validating this hypothesis, meaning defining their applicability domain. For example, Newtonian physics is not valid in the domain of high speed, near light speeds. And thus, in scientific research, we build models of things and validate it. And we build these models by discarding irrelevant details, taking a certain view at the phenomena. For example, a view from the viewpoint of physics and view from the viewpoint of chemistry are totally different. And we define which scientific theory is better by creating an experimentum crucis, meaning that trying to find something that a model predicts in a different way and choosing which model is better at predicting what actually happened. Every model is built inside kind of theory, and we can look at a theory through a Platonic cave metaphor. We can see a theory as a viewpoint on a certain subject, and we illuminate a subject with the light of the theory and look at what the shade is. For example, you can see the faint shade of this paper thing on my wall, and it's triangular. But if we light it from a different perspective, it will be rectangular. And in a certain perspective, the shadow will be even unnoticeable. So, predictive power of theories also play an important role in science, and we want to design tests that test that as well. Actually, it's very interesting that the similar structure is in human knowledge in different, pretty distant from science areas. For example, business is also structured like that, and startups are the means of generating business knowledge about new areas. The same way engineering works, and engineering knowledge is very similar in structure to scientific knowledge, although it's still different, but the structure is the same. So if we want to build strong AI, it should be able to build and validate models of unknown types, that is, create hypotheses and figure out somehow what the area of applicability of these hypotheses are. Based on that, we can build certain tests for strength of AI. These tests are explanation, trying to explain a phenomenon using an existing theory, problem setting, refutation, meaning defining the applicability domain of a theory, predicting new phenomena, creating business, and finally creating theories. And that's it. Thank you.